Hey, my students, I'm super excited to announce the YouTube membership of my channel Pathology Navigator. So, what are the different membership perks I'm going to offer here? I'm going to offer various perks according to the different types of membership I'm offering, like members in, members in plus, members pro plus. So you can go through that, and it is having various type of membership, having live streams, live webinars, personalized doubt clearing sessions. Not only that, you have access to my various notes, you have access to my flashcards, uh, and a weekly interactive sessions are there for advanced level of membership. So what are you waiting for? Join now in this membership program of YouTube. And I am there. I'm having a 14 plus year of experience, and I have trained students across the world for MBBS, for MD courses, for preparing for USMLE, NEET PG, PLAB, FMG, etc., whatnot. So join in right now, and I'll see you right with my live classes and interactive sessions. Thank you.